Welcome to the season 2 of the Absolutely Right podcast, the very first graphology based podcast show in India. I'm your host, Aditi Surana. I am a graphologist and a high performance coach. On our Friday episodes, I talk about one journaling question that can really get you thinking about that one area which is not working for you. This week, the conversation is around comparison. We all were compared from the go. The day we were born, they're like, ओह! इसकी आँखें ना मम्मी जैसी है, इसकी नाक तो पापा जैसी है. Now, comparison starts right there. Then kindergarten, oh my god, your baby is way cuter than anyone else. Or being compared with Bajwale Sharma ji ka beta, we all know that problem, right? Being compared to a neighbor's kid or somebody in your class. We all struggle through it. And why do we do that? Why do we compare ourselves to other people? Why we live in a society where comparison, competition is that utmost idea to pursue, win, and peg your own self esteem with? Why do we do it? When I meet people with each handwriting sample, I know that each single person is so different, so unique, that comparison, no matter how fair it looks, it's always unfair. Every single person has his or her own unique way to solve the problem, to think about life, to go through the same experience through their own perspective. Now, that is a problem, and that is my biggest contention with this whole comparison based society. You know why we learn to compare? Because we were being trained all along to be the best rats in the rat race that they wanted us to follow. It is always easier to control some rats who are fighting against one another than the rats who are really in the pursuit of real success. The way Ratatouille taught us how to be the real rat, Disney World, but that's how it works. Now, when we look at comparison in our own lives, we are constantly being stuck, bothered, and lost in the trap of comparison. Let's talk about how to break that trap and get out of it with the help of this journaling method. This is a three-step process. First, I'll ask you a question by the end of this video, which is about this topic. Don't respond to that question. Wait, hold on. Step 2. Take a rule book and a ballpoint pen and go ahead and do one long page of this graphotherapy called Flow of Thoughts. You have seen this video on each platform that I speak on. You know this ass looking stroke, and if you don't, the description box has the link to the explanation video. Go ahead, check it out. It'll just take 10 minutes of your time, but you will be grateful that you learned this simple method to calm your mind, to ground yourself, something that is tried and tested by thousands of people in my personal experience. Not even like the research I'm referring to, just in my personal experience. Point number 3, set a timer for just 15 minutes. And now that you've thought about the question, gone through one page of S stroke, start journaling by giving a handwritten response to the process. Now, why handwriting? Because it allows your mind to find a connect, an outlet through the slower movement of writing. And why am I saying slower? Because typing is very fast, multitasking is very fast, thinking about many, many issues at the same time and not getting to any conclusion also appears to be very fast. But when you write, you're forced to slow down and pay attention to each thought at a time. And that makes this process so effective and so powerful. Let's come to today's question. The question is simple. Which parts of your personality are you discounting when you compare yourself with the other person? Let me repeat the question. Which parts of your personality are you discounting when you compare yourself with the other person? The father of modern psychology and famous psychiatrist Carl Jung said, the only goal in life is the process of coming to know, giving expression to, and harmonizing with the complete person that you are. Now, this doesn't require you to compare yourself with anybody under the sun, but definitely explore different aspects of your personality. So, if you're getting stuck in this whole comparison business over and over again, follow this simple 3 step process. Step 1, watch this video, listen to this podcast, and think about the question that I have just given you. Step 2, pick a ballpoint pen and a rule book and go about doing one entire page of the flow of thoughts graphotherapy practice. And step 3, set a timer for 15 minutes and write everything that comes to your mind and just let your body emote on the paper for you to feel the release and also the solution of the problem. I'm going to leave you with this question. Before I say bye, let me remind you, if you want us to look at the S stroke and give you feedback, then go ahead and take a nice picture or make a small video of this S stroke practice that you're doing and tag me so that we can look at your stroke and give you feedback, how well you're doing, what you require to change, and all the other aspect. It looks simple, but you got to learn this stroke for it to be completely effective. It will take only 10 minutes of your time, and the explanation video link is mentioned in the description box below. So go ahead, check it out, and learn the stroke. Okay. If you have any questions for me, DM me on my Instagram handle at Aditi Surana. You can also write an email to me on write at aditisurana.com. The stroke that I'm talking about is available on our website aditisurana.com slash Kama Sutra. CALMSUTRA. Go ahead, give it a shot. Do this practice for 1 day, 2 days, 7 days, whatever it takes for you to get out of the comparison mindset right away. We spend so much of time doing the physical workout, the diet, but how about the mental workout? Why not to give just 30 minutes a day to do this very active mental workout for you to see some fabulous results of being calm, feeling grounded, and all the solutions coming out through you instead of depending on anyone else. Tell me how you liked the episode, what you learned from it, what will you teach to the other person through this conversation that we had today. If you think someone is comparing themselves, go ahead, share the link of this podcast or this video with them so that they can get out of their head their comparison and move forward. Let's connect on Wednesday, where I will bring one more guest for you to learn from and learn about yourself through that conversation. Till then, happy writing!